Good morning, students. In the last lecture, we discussed introduction of macroeconomics too. Today, we are going to start our syllabus. Our first chapter is money. Money, its functions, demand for money, supply of money. We are going to discuss. Today, we will discuss what is money and what is the definition of money. Money is one of the greatest inventions of mankind. Mankind has made many inventions, particularly last century was known as century of invention. Invention of mobile phone, TV, computer, or many laws, theories, etc. etc. Money is one of the greatest invention of mankind. Money occupies a very important place in modern economic system. We cannot imagine functioning of any economy without the existence of economy, without the existence of money. Whatever the form of economy, whether it is a capitalist society or communist society or mixed economy, money occupies very important place. We all know and recognize money. If 100 rupees note is shown to you, you can say it is money. We also know that money occupies a vital place in modern economic system. We all know money. We also know that money occupies a very important place in modern economic system. But what is our problem? We encounter difficulty in defining money in precise form. The big question, how to define money in precise form? Because it is very difficult, because scope of money is very very vast. हमको जीवन में मनी की जरूरत है. A person needs money, family needs money, the state needs money, the country needs money. हमारा जब जन्म हुआ था तभी किसी ने पैसे चुकाए होंगे. हम लोग मर जाएंगे, उसके बाद क्रियाक्रम करने के लिए कोई पैसे चुकाएंगे, और जीवन में तो पैसे की जरूरत है ही नहीं. So scope of money is very vast. So in this situation, how to define money? So definition of money, giving precise definition of money is a difficult task, but it is not impossible. Many economists have tried to define money. So generally, money is defined on the basis of its function. And second, most important, on the basis of its universal acceptability characteristics. First, Walker defines money is what money does. જે નાણાનું કામ કરે તે બધું નાણું છે. It's a very broad definition. We cannot understand what exactly money is by this definition. So there are many definitions, but for clearing the concept of money, I like the definition by Professor Marshall. All those things which are generally accepted without any doubt or special inquiry as a means of purchasing commodities and services and of differing expenses. Two words. We'll try to understand these words: without any doubt or special inquiry. So money is all those things which people are willing to accept without any doubt or special inquiry for purchasing goods and services. We will try to understand the concept with the help of an example. Suppose a person, X person, he goes to a book fair. हम लोग मान लेते हैं कि it was the last day of book fair. He likes a book very much and the price of the book was rupees 300. He liked the book. अभी वो परचेज करेगा. He check his wallet. He forgot his wallet at home. वो अपना वॉलेट भूल गया, पैसा नहीं है, क्या परचेस करेंगे, कैसे परचेस करेंगे. सो व्हाट ही इज डूइंग, ही इज टॉकिंग टू अ शॉपकीपर, बुक सेलर, और उसको ऑफर देता है कि मेरे पास ये मेरा वॉच है, रिस्ट वॉच, उसकी वैल्यू है, उसकी प्राइस है ₹3000. बुक की प्राइस कितनी है? 300. वॉच की प्राइस कितनी है? 3000. तो वो बुक सेलर को कहता है कि आप मेरा ये रिस्ट वॉच रख लीजिए, इसकी कीमत है 3000 रुपये, बुक की कीमत है 300 रुपीज, बुक की प्राइस है 300 रुपीज. सो ही इज ऑफरिंग 10 times more valuable book thing than the book, and within 2-3 hours I will pay my money. So he is offering to a shopkeeper. What will shopkeeper do? Will he accept or will he not accept? So he will make inquiry. He will make doubt. आपका ही घड़ी है क्या? ओरिजिनल सिटीजन का है कि चाइना का तो नहीं है ना? He will ask questions. So he will doubt on him or he will make inquiry. So he is not ready to accept these things without any doubt or special inquiry. So that is not money. Okay? अभी उसको बुक इतनी पसंद आई है, सो उसके पास एक गोल्ड चेन है, और जो गोल्ड चेन है उसका प्राइस है 30,000 रुपीज. सो ही इज सेइंग दैट आप ये मेरी गोल्ड चेन रख लीजिए, इसकी प्राइस है 30,000. सो आई एम ऑफरिंग यू 100 times मोर वैल्यूएबल थिंग देन द बुक. उसका वैल्यू कितना है? 30,000, और बुक की प्राइस कितनी है? 300 ओनली. Will the shopkeeper accept? He may accept, he may not accept. ज़्यादा चांसेस है कि वो एक्सेप्ट नहीं करेंगे. वो बोलेंगे ऐसी गोल्ड चेन वी विल नॉट, आप हमें पैसे कैश में दीजिए, अदरवाइज आप यू कैन पे विथ योर क्रेडिट कार्ड और डेबिट कार्ड. ओके, सो यह ट्रांजेक्शन इज नॉट पॉसिबल. मगर उसके बाद इफ he had money, the problem would not have been arising. अगर उसके पास 500 रुपये की नोट होती और वो बुक सेलर को देता, तो बुक सेलर उसमें से 300 रुपया ले लेता और 200 रुपये उसको रिटर्न कर देता. He will not ask anything to the person. Okay? So anything. So उसके ऊपर कोई डाउट नहीं करता, कोई उसकी इंक्वायरी नहीं होती. So from this what we understand, so all those things which are generally accepted without any doubt or special inquiry, that is money. समझ गए बात? So what is money? Money is greatest invention of mankind. We all know and recognize money, but what is our problem? Problem is in defining money in precise form. So money is anything which people are willing to accept without any doubt or special inquiry. Thank you. Thank you.